Hi everyone, today I'm really proud to introduce you to the new Louisiana Grills Founder Serie, the 800 Premier Pellet Grill. The Founder Serie has been designed as a tribute to the Louisiana Grills founder, to Dan Thiessen. I will show you all the improvement of this new series, but just by looking at this cover, you will understand that the barbecue behind the cover will be great. This cover is an accessory, but it's a must-have accessory. So the first thing that you will see just by looking at this grill is the size of the hopper. This hopper can hold more than 26 pounds, more than 13 kilograms of pellets. It means that you can smoke around the clock. You can smoke more than 24 hours without needing to refuel the pellet hopper. The cooking barrel diameter of this new Founder Serie is 22 inches deep. So it's 55 centimeters deep. It's 5 centimeters more than the old series. It means that I can put almost my whole arm inside the grill. I will show you one of the cast iron grates inside the grill. Check this. You can see that I can put almost my whole arm inside the grill. It's crazy. There is a second cooking grate on top of the first one. New handle design and a new embossed front shelf that is just beautiful. So this front shelf is very, very strong, and there is a new locking system to close the front shelf. I really love the new caster wheels design with the red color like on the front shelf, and the brakes. These are heavy duty wheels, and the cart is also very, very strong. A great shelf to put your pellet bags or your accessories. These are really great improvements. Inside the grill you get two porcelain coated cast iron grates and one porcelain coated steel grate on the upper level. So just by checking the grill on the outside, you will see this arm. I will show you immediately the utility of this arm. So this Founder Serie has been designed to get an optional cold smoker, and this arm that I show you is here to control the smoke exhaust on that cold smoker. Just by pulling it, you open the door or you close it. So as you maybe know, all the Danson's grills get a searing plate that you can open or close to access to the open flame. On the new Founder Serie, there is a button now that you can use to open the searing plate or close it as you want. And this is a great improvement. Behind the grills, two new improvements. The first one is the smoke exhaust system that you can regulate as you want, and the second one is the clean out door if you want to empty the hopper, if you want to simply change the kind of pellet that you use, if you want to change the wood taste and the smoke taste, or if you plan to not use your pellet grill for a long period. This window shows you the remaining pellet inside the hopper. So now the cherry on the cake, of course, is the new control board of the Founder Serie. So this is a full touch screen where you can see the 4 meat probes temperature, the cooking time that you can program, of course, the actual temperature inside the grill, the cooking temperature, so the target temperature inside the grill. You can switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius, of course, and Here you have a new feature. You can program any recipe with 9 different steps if you want. So you can, for example, say that you will cook for 2 hours at 120, and then 1 more hours at 180, and then 10 minutes at 300 degrees. The control board will switch by itself the temperature. 2 meat probes are provided with the grill. You just have to plug them in here under, up, and you immediately see the temperature of that meat probe, so the internal temperature of your meat. This new Founder Serie is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so there is an app that you can download and install on your mobile phone, and you can do anything that you do on the control board directly on your phone. For example, if I want to switch off the grill, I just switch it off on my phone and it's off. So the only one way to know how a grill works is to cook on it, of course. So I will smoke a 4 racks pork roast. I will just put some rub from Salt Lake, some dry rub, and smoke it at 120 degrees until an internal temperature of 68 Celsius degrees. Okay? So let's go. After 3 hours and a half of smoking, it's time to check the meat. The internal temperature is about 66, 67 Celsius degrees, so let's check. So I guess you can see that the skin is perfectly smoked. It's very beautiful brown dark color, and the outside of the meat is great too. I have a good bark. It was just 120 Celsius degrees. It's crazy. As you can see, the meat is extremely juicy. The crust is beautiful. The bark is great. It's time to heat. Now you know almost everything about the new Louisiana Grills Founder 800 Premier pellet grill. You have seen that this grill is fantastic with a lot of new improvements and new features. I hope you appreciate this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.